Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today I Avika working as an assistant professor in pharmacy department will discuss about the indicators used in the Fajan'S method. So indicators which are used in the Fajan'S method for the determination or for the analysis of precipitation titration are fluorescein, dichlorofluorescein, eosin, that is also called tetrabromofluorescein, and last one is erythrocin, that is tetraiodofluorescein. There are some condition or criteria for the selection of adsorption indicator, which are conditions are the indicator should have a charge opposite to that of the precipitate. Means precipitate is having positive charge, then the indicator should have negative charge. Charge on the indicator should be opposite than that of the precipitate. The indicator should be secondary adsorbed only after the equivalence point. The indicator we are using which should not react before reaching the equivalence point. If the precipitation titration is going on and equivalence point is reached, only after that point the indicator should react or indicator should adsorb on the surface. Next is sharp color is desired. There should be sharp color change in the reaction or after the equivalence point. Multivalent ions and other factors which have coagulating effect should be avoided as a colloidal state of the precipitate is desired. Next is precipitate particles should be colloidal dimension to maximize the quantity of indicator adsorbed on these particles. So this was about the conditions and about the indicators which we used in the Fajan'S method. Fajan'S method is a method which is used in the precipitation titration for the determination of endpoint or for the determination of equivalence point. Thank you and have a nice day. Hope you like the video. Please share and subscribe the channel.